We're going to program the 2020 Subaru Forester remote control clickers to work with the garage doors here. So first thing we're going to do is reset the old values. So we press 1 on both sides. So now we're going to program it. We press this left button once, and then we point end of the clicker at it, and you should see the garage door go up, and you should see that we can let go. Okay, and then we'll give it a try. Press it. Sometimes you have to press it twice. Not sure why, but there it goes. Let's program the other one. Okay, we're going to do the outside button. Press it once, and then hold the clicker until we get flashes and green. All right, that should be it. Okay, now we'll push it. Yep, you have to do it twice. But we don't have to keep doing it twice to use it though. We'll push this one once. Good to go.